Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Klara and I am doing videos about traveling, about fashion, about actually all stuff I like. So you can find here lots of, I think, interesting and different stuff. So now today I want to unpack my new GoPro, which I got for Christmas, and this is very exciting because I can use it for, for sports, for water, for all that activities. So I got here my Hero 9 Black. Yeah, I want to show you what's inside the case. I will link the camera also below in the description, and I want to also show you some footage because we went ski, so that was very good first opportunity to test the camera. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get to it. Let's talk some product details first. So the Hero 9 delivers stunning 5K videos and 20 megapixel photos. The hyper smooth 3-point stabilization is on point. It has also powerful features and durable waterproof design. With the camera you will get carrying case, rechargeable battery, carved adhesive mount, mountain buckle and thumb screw, and USB-C cable. Hero 9 is waterproof up to 33 feet, this is about 10 meters. I absolutely love front display for selfies and rear touch display for intuitive control. You get time wrap 3.0, 8x slow motion, plus tons of other features to nail any shot. The camera is compatible with over 30 mounts plus accessories. A micro SD card is required but not included, so you have to keep that in mind. I will link the card also below in the description so you can easily access it, and if you need, buy it. The first impression of the camera is very good. It's just a little bit slow for my taste, but I will have to test it more and see how it really goes. The Hero 9 is compatible with the Quik app. With the Quik app, you can easily access to your footage. It works through Wi-Fi. You can also record footage from the Quik app. The app picks your best shots, synchronizes them to the music, adds cinematic transitions, and creates a shareable video. I didn't get to try that yet fully. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. The free version lets users take advantage of most features. However, a subscription is necessary to unlock the full potential of GoPro Quik. Right here, I just wanted to show you where the battery, SD card and USB-C cable goes to charge the camera. I'm going to attach the camera holder to the ski helm in this place. I think the first step is important to clean the helm with some alcohol so the oily stuff and everything goes away, and hopefully the holder doesn't fall away. Make sure the surface of the helm is dry before you are going to stick the holder on it. And like this, we are all set and ready to go on your adventure. All the footage which I will actually show you today is shot in 2.7K because I, without knowing, enabled max lens mode, and this this was the reason, and I didn't even know because I wanted to get the shots actually at 4K, so I wanted to show you here in the right bottom corner you can enable max lens mode. That's a lens which you attach to it, and this is the wide winkle lens, so you can actually see on my videos that at the corners it's a little bit wavy sometimes. So yeah, that's the reason why your GoPro cannot even find the 5K or 4K resolution. So it took me quite time to find out where actually I should get this resolution back. So yeah, if you are struggling with that, you just need to click the icon on the right bottom corner and disable this mode. All the footage you see here from the GoPro is raw, there is no editing or color correction after it. So yeah, I'm actually happy about the results, you know, with the time when I get to use the GoPro. I hope the quality of the images will also get better and better. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.